sa Nursery 2 nagkamit ng unang parangal. Kristen Juliet T. Makulangan.
To all the guests, parents, teachers, and to my dear fellow graduates, good morning. My name is Kristen Juliet T. Makulangan from RIC CLC Block Cabuena, Laguna. So I want to thank my mommy Chen and daddy Chen for all the love and support that they are giving me. The teacher led, thank you for your patience on teaching us. We learn about alphabets, numbers, and how to share letters. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. Thank you for making our school year happy and joyful. Thank you for being my best friends, and I hope we see each other again. To Papa Jesus, thank you because all of this are happening. Again, thank you everyone, and welcome to our graduation ceremony.
Congratulations, Kristen.